Assalamu alaikum. Today my lecture is about De-Moivre's theorem. So what is it? Mathematical statement of De-Moivre's theorem. So cos theta plus iota sine theta raised to the power n is equal to cos n theta plus iota sine n theta. Okay. So what is the mathematical definition? What is the mathematical statement of this theorem? Cos theta plus iota sine theta raised to the power n, where for all n belongs to an integer set of integers, so should be equal to cos of n theta plus iota sine n theta. Okay, so let's do the questions. So first of all, I have a question. Number one, minus square root 3 minus square root 3 plus iota raised to the power 2. Write the following expression, convert into a plus iota b form. Write the following expression. Write the following expression. Convert it into a plus iota b form. Okay, means this form converted into the Cartesian form. Okay, Cartesian form of complex numbers. So let's solve this. So first of all, we will convert into polar form, then apply De-Moivre's theorem, then we will convert into a plus iota b form. So first of all, we require r. So what is the formula of r? A square plus b square. So here we know a is square root of 3 minus square root of 3 and b is equal to 1. Okay, as we know, according to the question, a is equal to square root minus square root of 3 and b is equal to 1. So r is equal to minus square root of 3 raised to the power 2 plus 1 square. So this square cancel the minus and square root also. So 3 plus 1, so r is equal to 2. Okay, so we get r is equal to 2. Now we find theta. So what is the formula of theta? Tan inverse of b upon a. Okay, the formula of theta is equal to tan inverse of b upon a. So according to the given information, b is equal to 1 and a is equal to minus square root of 3. So theta is equal to tan inverse of minus 1 upon square root of 3 is equal to minus pi by 6. Minus pi by 6. Okay, this is the theta. But according to our complex number, minus square root 3 plus iota not lie here. Okay, this is minus pi by 6 means 180 divided by 6. 6 ones are 6 3, so minus 30. So this is not an angle. Okay, this is not an original angle because minus square root 3 lie here and iota lies here. So this is the angle. So we will apply. We will substitute. We will add this with pi. So minus pi by 6 plus pi. Now we will get original angle. So minus pi plus 6 pi divided by 6. So we will get original angle pi 1. So 5 pi by 6. Okay. So this is the theta. Okay. Now we convert into polar form. R is theta. So what is R? R is 2. And now this form written in cos theta plus iota sine theta. So cos 5 pi by 6 plus iota sine 5 pi by 6. Okay. So this is the polar form. According to given question, we have the form minus square root of 3 plus iota raised to the power 2. So the whole power of this thing also 2. Okay, so now apply 2 power on both parts, this part and 2 also. So when we will apply 2 square on 2, so we will get 4, and again cos theta cos phi phi by 6 divided phi phi by 6 plus iota sine phi phi by 6 raised to the power 2. Okay. Now we will apply De-Moivre's theorem. So to lie here and here. So cos 2 into phi phi by 6 plus iota sine 2 into phi phi by 6. Okay. So two ones are two threes are two ones are two threes are okay. So our final answer is 4 says according to the polar form uh, 5 pi by 3. Okay, 5 pi by 3. So this is the polar form. Now we will convert into Cartesian form. So Cartesian form we required a and b. So what is the formula of a? A is equal to r sin r cos theta. Sorry, r cos theta. So r is 4. R is equal to 4 and cos 5 by 3. Okay. Now compute cos 5 by 3. What is the value of cos 5 by 3 from calculator? So what is the value of 4 cos 5 by 3? Cos 5 by 3. Cos 5 by 3 should be equal to. So cos 5 by 3 should be equal to 4 into 0, 1 upon 2. Okay. So we will get a is equal to 2. Okay. Now we find b. So what is the formula of b? B is equal to r sine theta. Now we substitute r is equal to 4 and sine 5 by 3. So now compute 5 sine 5 by 3. So what is the value of sine 5 by 3? Sine 5 pi by 3 is, wait a minute, compute. Sine 5 pi by 3 is equal to sine pi by 5 pi by 3 is equal to pi by 3 is equal to, what is the sine 5 pi by 3? Sine 5 pi by 3 is equal to, this is 3, okay? This is equal to minus square root of 3 divided by 2. So 2 ones are 2, 2 is a 4. So b is equal to minus 2 square root of 3. Okay. So we write the question in a plus iota b form. So where a is equal to 2 minus 2 square root of 3. Okay. This is the answer of given question. Now we are going to explain another question by using De-Moivre's theorem. Okay. So we have a question number 2, minus 3 iota raised to the power 4. Okay. So this means that this is equal to 0 plus, sorry. So we can write this question is equal to 0 minus 3 iota, which means that A is equal to 0 and B is equal to minus 3. So first of all, we convert into polar form. So first of all, R is equal to A square plus B square. So A square is equal to 0 square plus minus 3 square. So R is equal to 3. Okay. So now we will find R, theta, sorry. Theta, what is formula of theta is equal to tan inverse of B upon A. B upon A. So theta is equal to tan inverse of B. What is the value of B? Minus 3. A, what is A? A is equal to 0. So first of all, first we write the angle by using this plotting 0 minus 3. Okay, sorry, 0 minus 3 iota. Okay, so 0 here and minus 3 here. So this is the minus pi by 2. Okay, theta is equal to minus pi by 2. Okay, so we can write in the polar form r says theta. So we have r, what is r? 3 says theta means minus pi by 2. Okay, now we convert into r says theta. So says theta means cos theta plus iota sin theta. Okay, and our angle is cos minus pi by 2 plus iota sin minus pi by 2. Okay, raised to the power 4. Okay, because our question whole power is 4, so 4 power apply on here and apply on the other factor cos minus pi by 2 and plus iota sin minus pi by 2. Okay, raised to the power 4. So 3 raised to the power 4, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 3s are 91. Okay, so first we check what is the power 3 power of what is the fourth power of 3. So this is 91 also 3 multiply 3 81, sorry. So this is should be equal to 81. And now apply the De-Moivre's theorem here. So power lie here. So cos minus 4 into minus pi by 2. Okay. Plus iota sin 4 into minus pi by 2. Okay. So 2 ones are 2, 2s are 2, 1s are 2, 2s are. Okay. So our final answer is in polar form 81 into cos minus 2 pi plus iota sin minus 2 pi. ठीक है? Okay. So we will convert into a plus iota Cartesian form. So where r is equal to 81 and theta is equal to minus 2 pi. Okay. So convert. So as we know, what is formula of a? R cos theta. So r is equal to 81 and cos theta means to minus 2 pi. So minus what is the value of minus 2 pi? Calculate it. Cos 2 pi or and sin 2 pi. Let's compute. Minus 2 pi. So what is the value of? And b is equal to r sin theta. So b is equal to 81 sin minus 2 pi. So sin 2 pi is equal to 0. So b is equal to 0. So what is the value of cos minus 2 pi? So cos 2 pi is equal to undefined. Sorry. What is the value of cos 2 pi? So cos 2 pi is equal to 1. So 81 multiply 1. So 81. So A is equal to 81. So our final answer is equal to 81 plus 0 iota. Okay. This is the final answer of this question after applied De Morbius theorem. Okay. Now let's take another example related to De Morbius theorem in next video. Allah Hafiz. Please subscribe, share, and likes my channel.